In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to integrations over here on the left, you want to click on it, and then from here, you want to find Canva. Now, if you can't see it up top, you can just go and search for Canva like this, and of course, it's going to pop up Canva over here. So you want to click on Canva, and then from here, you want to click on this connect button, the yellow one over here. Now it's going to tell you what all you have to do. Just click on the continue button, wait for a few seconds, and here you basically are going to sign into Canva. So I'm signed in already. That's why it's not basically telling me I have to sign in again. But if it tells you to sign in, just use whatever sign-in method you use to sign into Canva. It could be your email and password, or of course Google or something similar. So I'm signed in over here, and then you basically have to allow it different permissions. I'm just gonna click on allow over here. And when you do so, it's going to start loading in and setting up your connection. And now, as you can see, whenever that's done, it's going to basically set up your integration. And now you'll see that you're successfully connected just like this, okay? So currently it says designs 0, and then over here I can see all my designs I actually created inside Canva. To see them, to see all of them, you can click on content over here on the left, and then Canva up top. And in here, you'll find all your designs, okay? So, of course, if you want to use these inside your email designs, it's actually super simple. You have to go to create up top, select your email, and select the email you want to create. I'm going to do regular, and this one is just going to be named, for example, cat design like this, and I'm going to click on begin. Now, when you do this, it's going to allow you to basically start building. And of course, you can go with basic layouts or fully designed. I'm just going to go with a basic layout over here. Again, you can select whichever one you want here. I'm just going to go with a basic one, and we're going to use this one, which is the minimal and the most basic. So I'm going to click on the apply button. And now there we go. You can start customizing your Mailchimp email, okay? But of course, if you want to add your Canva design in here, what you're going to have to do is go to blocks over here, and you want to have to add an image block, okay? So wherever you want to have it, you'll need an image block. So you can either click on one that's already there, for example, like this, or I could just drag and drop it like that. For example, I want it in here. There we go, image block. And then you can click on here, and you can click on add from Canva. Now, if that's not working, you can click on add again and click on Canva over here, and that's going to work too, okay? In here, you want to find your design. You want to integrate with your email design. So I'm going to click on this cat over here, something completely random, but it's going to work. And then I'm going to click on sync and insert. Now here you can of course review sync settings. I'm gonna go PNG and click on sync now. And there we go, it's gonna start syncing with Canva, and I've successfully imported my Canva design into my email template over here inside Mailchimp, okay? So again, the syncing usually takes a moment, but when it's done, there we go, it's looking like this, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.